Today I'm going to show you how to insert letters into an object for 3D printing using Blender. This is a simple but very useful technique if you want embossed or multicolor text on your prints. I start by inserting a text object and typing the word test. Once I'm happy with the font and spacing, I convert the text into a mesh so it can be edited like any other 3D object. After that, I give the text some depth to make it solid and printable. Next, I clean up the geometry by using limited dissolve on the text model. This reduces unnecessary edges and makes the mesh easier to work with. Once that's done, I position the text inside the cube where I want the letters to appear. To prepare for the cut, I move the text slightly outside the cube on the Z-axis. This ensures the text fully intersects the surface, and the Boolean operation works correctly. Now I add a Boolean modifier to the cube and select the text as the target object. This cuts the shape of the letters directly into the cube. After applying the Boolean, I move the text back into the cube, so the letter faces sit perfectly on top of the surface. At this point, the model is ready for printing. I export the entire project as an STL file and open it in Bamboo Lab Studio. There, I paint the letters a different color, making it ready for multicolor 3D printing. And that's how you insert letters into an object for 3D printing.